This right here is an LG window unit that cools my stepdad's office at his work. This is literally brand new. This replaced the Electrolux unit. You can tell the case, I don't know, the cover for this. I don't know what's this stuff supposed to be, but it looks like a sponge or something. I'm gonna show you the inside for this one right here. Here's the inside. Set this on 72. And there's another one back here. This one's off. Let me get this one a startup. This is the same thing as the other one. But let's turn this one on. Alright, let's see.
No, papi, no lo toques así, hijo. Tú lo estás subiendo.
There goes the compressor. I think I heard the compressor start up. It was actually quiet. Alright, let's go see the outdoor. Oh, wait, I think I'm supposed to.
You lock it?
Yeah, I did.
¿Viste la nueva? No, vamos a la vieja.
Sorry about that, guys. Why does this sound terrible? Oh, it just shut off. I think my stepmom just turned it off. Ugh. I don't know what kind of compressor these two have, but I think they have rotaries. These two used to be Frigidaires. Now these are modern piece of junk. Even the Frigidaires are like modern piece of junk units. There's like more window units, but I'm not gonna go that far, so. Oh, they still have the original one. There's the Frigidaire. And my stepdad's old work right there. Alright guys, just a quick vid. There's a York and Carrier 38 YCCs right there. I mean, no, that's a 38 CKC, and there's a York still there. Alright, thank you for watching.